Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Blue Wallet application. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Blue Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page where you will now see the Add Wallet option. You can tap on the Add Now button or the plus icon at the top in order to add your new wallet and create one right away. In order to sign up, just type in your wallet name that you prefer to use and then choose your wallet type. After choosing your wallet type, tap on the create button and you will now be shown your security phrase, which will have a series of 12 random words. You will be asked to write it down somewhere secure so that you will be able to access it later in order to log into your account in the future. Once you have written and stored this security phrase, you can tap on the OK, I wrote it down button. And now you have successfully been signed up to your new wallet account on the Blue Wallet application right away. You can now tap on your newly created wallet and begin to send or receive funds right away. And you may change any settings from the three dots at the top right corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Blue Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.